Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the carburetor spacer on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver and a T30 Torx bit. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the air filter cover. Remove the cover and the air filter. Then unthread the screws securing the filter base. Pull the choke lever off so you can move the base out of the way. Using the T30 Torx bit, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the carburetor, spacer, and gaskets. You can now remove the old spacer, if still intact, as well as the gasket behind the spacer. To install the new carburetor spacer, align one of the new gaskets on the back side and position the spacer and gasket on the cylinder head. Reinsert the two mounting screws through the carburetor and slide the second new gasket onto the screws. Position the carburetor and thread the screws into the cylinder head. Insert the two mounting screws through the base. Then align the base and thread the screws into the carburetor. Replace the choke lever. With the pre-cleaner positioned in the cover, followed by the air filter with its rubber gasket facing outward, align the cover on the base and secure it with the screws.